One of our goals at Circuit Board Medics is to simplify the removal process of the components we service. This video addresses several problems with the main control board part numbers WPW10310240 or W10890094. Common problems with these fridges are: the display lights are flashing, the ice dispenser door is flapping between the open and closed position, constant clicking or beeping, or the refrigerator is not cooling correctly. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, you have a problem with your main control board and it will need to be repaired. Here are the applicable part numbers of the main control boards. This video will cover, in detail, the following steps: removing the protective case and removing the control board from the refrigerator. This is a do-it-yourself project and should take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This video is for informational purposes only. Circuit Board Medics is not responsible for any damage incurred while removing these components from your refrigerator. These are the tools required for removing your main control board. Please unplug your refrigerator before removing or installing your circuit board. The first step is to turn the refrigerator around to access the main control board. The second step is to remove the protective cases. There are 4 screws holding the first protective case in place. Using your nut driver, remove the 4 screws. Remove the protective case and set it to the side. Use your small slotted screwdriver to remove the second protective case from the refrigerator. Disconnect the 4 plugs from the control board. Make sure not to grab the cables while removing the plugs. Remove the 3 screws holding the circuit board in place. There are 2 tabs holding the board in place. Press the bottom tab to release the board, and then press the top tab while removing the board. You are now ready to send your circuit board in for repair. Visit circuitboardmedics.com to place your order or call 800-547-2049 with any questions.